Good evening to all of students of class 11th. Today we are going to study about biological classification, which is the second chapter of your biology. You know very well, it is very difficult to all organisms identify and classify in the world. Biological classification is the scientific procedure of arranging organisms into groups and subgroups on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities. Firstly, we have to know what are the objectives of biological classification. First, to get knowledge of relationship among the organism. It means organism, how they relate to each other and how they have similarities with each other. Now second, to identify the organism. It means all those organisms which are found all around us, to identify them. Number third, to get knowledge about origin of organism. It means from where they come or originated. Number four, to get knowledge of evolution of organism, from where these organisms evoluted. So these are four main objectives. It means यह जानना कि ऑर्गेनिज्म के बीच में क्या रिलेशनशिप है, दो अलग अलग ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं उनके बीच में क्या रिलेशनशिप है, वो कैसे सिमिलर हैं, कैसे डिसिमिलर हैं. दूसरी चीज़, ऑर्गेनिज्म को आइडेंटिफाई करना उनकी सिमिलरिटीज़ और डिसिमिलरिटीज़ के आधार पर. तीसरा ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है, थर्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, कि उनके उत्पत्ति यानी ओरिजिन के बारे में जानने के लिए. और नंबर फोर, टू गेट नॉलेज ऑफ एवोल्यूशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म, उनका जो है डेवलपमेंट कैसे हुआ, हाउ दे एवोल्यूटेड. इसके लिए जो है ये चार मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशंस के. हाउ विल यू डिफाइन व्हाट इज बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन? You can define the process by which the groups of scientists study, identify, classify, named and describe about organism is known as biological classification. Means it is a scientific process in which various scientists studies about organism, identify them, classify them and named them, and they describe all about organism. It means it is the scientific process. Now, types of classification. There are three main types of classification. Number first, artificial system of classification. Number second, natural system of classification. Or number third, phylogenetic system of classification. Firstly, we are going to know about artificial system of classification. It is a system of classification which used one or two morphological characters for a group of organism. Some artificial systems have used habit and habitat for this purpose. In that time, the scientists which done artificial classification, just like Aristotle 370 to 285 BC, Linnaeus 1707 to 1778, and Theophrastus. These are the scientists of artificial system of classification. Number second, natural system of classification. It is a system of classification which takes into consideration comparable study of a number of characters so as to bring our natural similarities and dissimilarities and hence natural relationship among the organism. Number third, phylogenetic system of classification. This classification is based on evolutionary relationship of organism is called phylogenetic system of classification. It is based on evolutionary concept and phylogenetics. Phylogenetics means Vanshavali. And some scientists which involved in phylogenetic system of classification are Engler and Prandtl.